Have you ever tried finding your favorite toy in a messy room, or tried to sort your crayons from red to violet? Guess what? You were using data structures and algorithms without even knowing it. Let's break it down. A data structure is like a special way to organize stuff so we can find or use it quickly. An algorithm is like a recipe, a set of steps to solve a problem. Together, they're like your brain's toolbox for solving puzzles, organizing things, and saving time. Famous definition: an algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. Donald Knuth, the father of algorithms. Simple example: sorting crayons. Imagine you have a box of jumbled crayons. You want to arrange them from lightest to darkest. That's called sorting. You might pick the smallest one first, then the next, and so on. That's an algorithm called selection sort. Or maybe you keep swapping crayons until they're all in order. That's bubble sort. It's just like a game. What about searching? Now imagine your crayons are in order, and you want to find the blue crayon. Instead of checking one by one, you can start in the middle, like a guess. If it's not blue, go left or right depending on color. That's called binary search, and it's super fast. Think of it like a treasure hunt with clues. What's optimization? Let's say you want to pack your school bag, but it can't fit everything, just the most important books. You'll have to choose the best combo, the lightest and most useful ones. That's called optimization, finding the best solution among many. Engineers use it to build faster roads, design efficient apps, even launch rockets. Why is this so important? If Google didn't use smart search algorithms, it would take hours to get your answer. If Netflix didn't optimize your recommendations, you'd never find your favorite show. Famous quote: "Programs must be written for people to read and only incidentally for machines to execute." Harold Abelson. So, learning data structures and algorithms helps us solve big problems, save time, and even get jobs at big tech companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. Whether you're organizing toys, finding hidden treasures, or packing your bag smartly, you're already thinking like a computer scientist. If you like this simple explanation, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to learn next. Let's keep coding our curiosity.